Today we're at the Stagionello Factory. I am Brendan Cuomo, and today we'll show you how everything starts from a sheet of metal. Okay, so right now, thanks to that metal sheet that we have, thanks to this computerized machine, we're gonna have all the parts to assemble our machine. So right here we have Mattia, our specialist, at the press bending machine for sheet metal. Right here, we're about to press bend the sheet metal to make the components for our machine to assemble them together. So at this point, our sheet metal has finally got form. Every extremity is going to be sealed for the next procedure. Okay, perfect. So right here we have Salvatore. Salvatore right here is precisely adding on to the glass to then assemble the door. So right now at this procedure, we're gonna fill our structure with foam, a specific foam that we create to isolate our machine. Okay, so in this department right here, all the new structures that we built before come here so we can install all the new systems. So the refrigerating system, the fumatic system, and the electric system. Thanks to all these systems, we can create our meat device, fish device, and salami device. Thanks to all these devices, we have a preliminary phase. This preliminary phase will help us to install all the little pieces inside. We'll do this thanks to this production line that we have right here. And we're gonna mount the cooling system, the humidity system, and the electric system, and all the different specific parts. Thanks to these parts, we'll complete the machine, and once it's complete, we'll have the test right here. Okay, so right here is our last procedure. This procedure right here is done by Daniele. Daniele right now is testing the last specific points to see if everything is right. So our client will be satisfied and happy. Okay, I'm Brendan Cuomo, and I hope you had fun at Stagionello Factory.